What's going on, guys? It's your boy Junebugs. On today's video, I'm going to be making a new alert for you guys. Hope you guys like it. Sorry, my little niece told me to do this, so I have to add it to the video. On the previous video, I made Naruto. So on this video, I'm going to be making Sasuke. I'm going to be having those on the drop box down below. So if you'd like to use my alerts, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. Or, you know, like this video. Follow my Twitch. And share the video. That's all you gotta do. Or, you know, hit the subscribe button. This subscribe is free, by the way. Streamlabs.com. And you go to the alert box. Scroll down here. Once you go to the alert box, you should go to the follows. Once you go to the follows, again, all you have to do is add the media. And I have the link on the Dropbox down below. There's gonna be folders for the WebM file and the audio file, so you guys could have them set, you know, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Another thing is that for the alert duration, it has to be 4 seconds, so it won't have to reappear, so it can look smooth and clean. And I have the alert text delay for like 2 seconds, probably even 1 second, so 1 second, so it could look clean. And once you save the settings, the alert should look like this. Okay, let's just have it set to 5 seconds. So 5 seconds, but it looks pretty cool. I think I like it. Obviously I made it. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, hope you guys like it. Oh, on another thing, since people don't know how to use chroma key, if you don't know how to use chroma key, I'll teach you the simplest way. So this is simplest way. All you gotta do is copy it. So on your browser source, you just go to filters. Once you go to filters, you add the chroma key. And once you add the chroma key, you could go to defaults, or you could legit copy my settings. 338, 1, 1. Close. And that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and hopefully we could break 10 likes maybe. Also, be sure to come hang out on Twitch with me, interact with me, hang out, have a good time. I be getting some crazy clips, all right, and I'll be posting them on Instagram. But yeah, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.
Party, baby, show me.
You bet your ass, brother.
Let's go!
The fucking place.
That's fucking shit.
Time for me to disappear.